in this generation, who have more influential power, men or women? To be frank, it's men.
Women,
Women.
because their body figure.
So far, both of them have like they got the potential,
Mhm.
but I feel like men use their potential more
Okay.
because like I've seen less women who like influence through social media or reality, but then like if it is men, then we can
Okay. So what I believe, right? Women has much more potential to influence people because if they can turn a life man upside down, why not they can turn the whole world upside down?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. So if they can turn a man's life from bad to good, why not change the world from bad to good?
Yeah, so true.
Yeah.
Like women are not strong enough.
To take that
Yeah, to take
responsibility
the
in the hand.
responsibility. Yeah, like
Yeah, I think so.
there are some women who can like stand up for that. So like Conor McGregor.
Conor McGregor wife.
Yeah,
Okay.
like the loyalty.
Yes.
He changed like Conor life, not only Conor life, but he changed like a lot of women perspective.
Exactly.
There's a type of woman who will change the world.